Ever-watchful foreman Keith has moved upstairs. He needs to keep his eye over all aspects of the build, not just the rooms they're presently working on. This is Norm and Jess's powder room. It's next to their bathroom. The cavity that holds the powder room sliding door adjoins both rooms, but is not technically part of this week's build.
Anyone see Norm?
I know that tone and that look.
Hey, Nick. Where's Norm? I need him here right now. Right now.
Even a head shake. Hurry up, Norm. Keith, for some reason, decides to mime his disapproval to Norm, hoping maybe he's able to guess the problem.
That's the toilet. Yeah. Got the door jam in.
I wouldn't say I got caught.
What'd you do?
Moving forward. So we had to put that in to get the sheets on. Otherwise, we had nothing to fix our sheets to on this wall.
True. Tricky one. You probably should have seen me about this, though, because you are moving forward. You've probably got a 2-hour head start on everybody else.
Yeah.
It's a tricky one. I've never had this before.
Yep.
So I'll come back to you.
Too easy, Keith.
As a builder, Norm is used to being efficient, where working ahead is praised rather than considered cheating. After a quick chat consulting the big boss of the block,
Cheers, mate. Thanks, Scotty.
that'd be me, Norm's fate is decided.
You've had a tricky situation, so I'm going to give you a warning now. Don't do it again.
Yep.
Leave it. Just simply don't do it again. Don't work. If you've got a problem like that, come and see me and we'll work it out together.
So I've got a proposition for you.
We don't want anyone to think that we are trying to cheat or anything.
I'm happy on the first hour of toilet week to sit down for an hour, no tools. Perfect. Done.
We're happy with that.
And it's an hour.
We're hoping to give Keith a bit of drama so it slips his mind.